Okay, everybody. I'm going to be talking to you about your second assessment for geology, which is using a screencast program called Screen-O-Matic. So this lesson is about using Screen-O-Matic. Screen-O-Matic is a program that makes screencasts. These are basically recordings of your computer screen, which you can use to create a video. Most effectively used when they're combined with PowerPoint or a similar program, so you can show writing nice and clearly presented for your audience. It also records your voice using your computer speaker, so that's the way that you can hear my voice now. And it can also record your face by using the camera on your computer if you so wanted to. Okay, so in the lesson instructions, you'll find a link which is to the screencast downloading website. That's this one here. So it's the URL is just here. What you need to do is press start recording. It will take you to a page where you have an option to download and install the program. So the free program. Once you've done that, then you can just go back to your desktop, and it'll either prompt you automatically to install it, or you can write in Screen-O-Matic like I've done, click on the appropriate thing, and then it will prompt you to install it. The same thing, once it's installed, then you just go up to your Finder, type in Screen-O-Matic, and you can come up with the program to open and start recording your screencast. So Screen-O-Matic is great because it's a free to use and simple screencast program, and it can be downloaded from their website here, as I've said. Once you've downloaded, install and open the program, and then follow my instructions on how to do this. So your task today is to use Screen-O-Matic and PowerPoint to make a screencast which illustrates how the continents will move over the next 200 million years. Okay, so this is your whole assessment, and it will take you around 6 lessons to do. You obviously you can work on it at home to sort of improve the sort of quality of your presentation. You are to use your understandings of tectonic plate movements to do this. So when you're producing a long screencast, it is best to do the following. First, you have to make the PowerPoint presentation. Then you write a script of what you are trying to say with prompts on the script for slide changes. And then you complete the screencast. So if we're talking about your presentations for the tectonic plate movements, you would first make your PowerPoint showing all the tectonic plate movements, everything that you're going to say written up in words there as well. And then you would produce a script which says what you're going to say at each slide. Once you've got the script and the PowerPoint set up, you've looked at those a couple of times, then you can start producing your screencast because it will flow nicely that way. So I think you should do some practice getting used to using Screen-O-Matic and making screencasts. So for today, what I want you to do is produce a screencast which describes an interest of yours. For example, music, games, sports, science, and there's always someone that says that they're not interested in anything, so you can do sleeping. You're to make a PowerPoint with 2 slides, so 2 slides which you're going to write a script about. Then you write your script and produce your screencast. So this is just a practice. It should only take about 10 minutes to do this. Once you've completed this, you can then start to cut all the continents out from your laminated continent sheet because those are going to be really, really important in the following activities for the next few lessons, okay? So make sure you cut them out really, really neatly. Take your time while doing those. And once you've done that, then come and speak to me and I'll sort of help you out with the next section of the assignment.